Want to personalize your chats on Messenger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the chat theme in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Now tap on the conversation where you want to change the theme. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the contact name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will open the chat settings and customization options. Scroll down until you find the theme option. Tap on Theme. You'll now see a list of available themes. Browse through them and choose the one you like. Some themes may include special colors, gradients, or seasonal designs. You may also see an option that says Create with AI. This allows you to generate a custom theme using AI. Once you've selected your preferred theme, tap Select. And that's it, your chat theme will instantly change. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Messenger tips.